you a sister?
No, I have a brother.
Have you a pet?
No, but Willie. A dog!
Have you a dick?
Yes, I have a big dick.
Can you like cheese?
I like cheese.
Are you gay?
No, I'm not gay. I have a girlfriend.
Nice.
No. Have you a dog?
Yes, I have a one dog.
Have you a bike?
Yes.
When do you get up? Have you a mom and dad?
Yes.
When you get homework?
Yes.
Very nice. Where do you go to school?
With bus.
Yeah. Who is your friend?
Oh, this is you, him, me, and Patrick. Oh, and Willie.
Wait. Why do you get your... No, I'm stupid. Have you a good friend?
A girlfriend.
Have you a good friend?
Yes, I have 3. You. And Patrick. Oh.
What are you doing today?
I'm sit down on the
Yeah.
chair. Yes.
Have you a good teacher?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. You have a good teacher.
Bare hen mit USB-stik.
Nå, syg. Have you a dog?
Yeah, I have one dog.
Have you a cat? Nope. Can you like your school? Nope. Can you like your teacher?
Go!
Have you a sister? Yes. Have you pets? Yes. Have you a dick? Big dick. Really big dick. Yeah. Can you like cheese? No, yes. Are you gay? Ow! No.
Og nu gider jeg kraftedeme ikke det her mere!